Up next in basic black and priced under 8 grand is this 2012 Harley-Davidson XL1200X Sportster 48. Nice looking bike, great price on it, super starter bike, low center of gravity, lightweight. Previous owner added some cool things for you that you don't have to pay for. I love this speedometer, digital readout indicating, well, not speedometer, but the odometer indicating well under 5,000 miles. Those are low miles for a 6-year-old bike. Put some really nice, super comfortable, cushy grips on it. A unique seat or saddle, sprung, gray leather, looks really nice with the black paint and the old style colors anyway, California license plate. Bike also has a high volume air intake, also very nice looking, from Joker Racing. Nice looking bike, and available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos between Escondido and Vista.